Generative AI-powered humanoid and animaloid robotics are fast becoming more advanced and more accessible, excelling in a wide range of everyday tasks, from making the coffee to doing the dishes. The manufacturing industry, however, requires a higher level of precision, robustness, and seamless interaction. Flanders Make helps make all that happen, enhancing cutting-edge generic technologies with the capability to meet stringent industry demands. As part of the AI Flanders research program, we are working closely with university researchers to develop AI techniques that lead to smarter industrial systems. By adding our application expertise and domain knowledge to state-of-the-art AI, we create advanced solutions tailored to the needs of manufacturers. One such innovation helps human operators manage ever more complex daily tasks. Increasing quality requirements, more diverse products, and advanced digitization all make it virtually impossible for humans to stay on top of huge amounts of information from countless different sources, such as dynamic schedules, product orders, work instructions, and sensors, unless a significant amount of time is spent up front transforming all this data into small, manageable chunks. But now, Flanders Make can change all that by integrating AI into your operator guidance systems, allowing you to support your operators with zero need for time-consuming manual pre-processing. Meet our new digital colleague, whose job is to process all that information, then provide clear guidance to the operator. As the voice, ears, and face of a system, our digital colleague features AI-based speech synthesis and generative AI for facial animation, plus the ability both to detect intent from natural language and provide context-aware answers, both supported by GPT models, making it capable of conducting human-like conversations. More than a robot, think of this technology as a real colleague, observing, learning, knowing, and as easy to interact with as any other colleague. The digital colleague comprises three major AI components. Firstly, the brain. A central knowledge graph organizes all available information to enable cross-domain reasoning in a systematic way. This is used to process input from the outside world, understand user intent, and formulate suitable instructions to the human operator. Next, the senses and expressions. By connecting to all systems, such as cameras, displays, microphones, speakers, and robotic arms, the digital colleague is able to interact with humans and the environment. Finally, we have the underlying nervous system, a modular, scalable, open-source framework that allows the different senses to interact with the brain, update its understanding of the environment and the question at hand, and provide the most relevant response, whether a clear instruction, contextual information, or a robotic action. As the capabilities and performance of AI continue to grow, digital colleagues will become ever more intelligent, taking quality, productivity, and training efficiency to even higher levels. Easily scaling up to different applications and able to handle large amounts of domain knowledge, they can be integrated into all production environments to support operators across a wide range of activities such as assembly, maintenance, and process optimization. In addition to reducing the cognitive load of skilled operators, digital colleagues also can be used to quickly upskill novice operators, supporting productivity and growth even further. Interested in discovering what our digital colleague can do for you? Contact info@flandersmake.be.